everyone! Welcome back to English Learning with me. Let's learn English in a simple and easy way today. There was a young man named David. David wanted to speak English fluently. He bought books. He downloaded apps. He watched many videos. But there was a problem. He was not consistent. Some days, he studied for 2 hours. Other days, he did nothing. Months passed. His English did not improve much. One morning, David read a simple quote. "Small habits create big results." He thought about it for a moment. Then he made a new plan. Instead of studying for 2 hours, he decided to study for just 10 minutes every day. 10 minutes. That was all. Every morning, he listened to a short English podcast. Every afternoon, he learned 5 new words. Every evening, he spoke English for 5 minutes.
The plan was simple. And because it was simple, he followed it every day. 1 week passed. Then 1 month. Then 3 months. David noticed something surprising. He could understand more English. He could speak more confidently. He could remember new words easily. His friends asked, "How did your English improve so fast?" David smiled and replied, "I stopped looking for a perfect plan. I just started doing a small thing every day." Years later, David became fluent in English, and it all started with a simple habit of 10 minutes a day.